I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access now. Make sure you have an API key or public endpoint and permission to pull data. Once ready, pick a tool, curl, Postman, or a small fetch script so you can send a real request immediately. Next, identify the exact endpoint and method, add required headers like authorization and content type, and set query or body parameters. This gets you from 0 to a live request quickly, so you can see actual responses and iterate. Once you receive responses, immediately check the status code and headers so you understand success versus error. Log latency too. Then parse the payload. JSON is most common. CSV or XML needs dedicated parsers, mapping fields to your schema so downstream systems can use them. After parsing, persist both the raw response and structured data to a file, database, or cloud storage with timestamps and source metadata. This ensures traceability, enables retries, and you finish by automating collection. Schedule cron jobs, use webhooks, or hook into event streams so data arrives reliably. Make sure your automation includes retry logic with exponential backoff, respects rate limits, and records failures to monitoring. Validate incoming data for schema drift or missing fields and run sanity checks. If something breaks, fall back to stored raw data and notify the team. One troubleshooting tip: if responses stop matching schema, pause processing, compare recent raw payloads, and revert to the last known good parser while you patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.